If you are looking for a quick and easy way to transfer files from phone to PC wirelessly, in this video we'll show you how you can transfer files from your phone to PC over the internet without any hassle. To start the process, you need to download the Wi-Fi FTP Server app from the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, allow for the permissions required. Now here you will see server URL, user ID and password. These are the details that we'll use to connect your phone to the computer. Keep your phone aside and go to this PC or my computer on your PC and right-click on the blank space. Then click on Add a Network Location. In the next window, click on Next. Again, click on Next. Now here, enter the server URL that is specified in the Wi-Fi FTP Server app. Hit Next. Uncheck the box and then enter the username from the app. And click Next. Here give any name for this network location and then click on Finish. Now enter the password which is also specified in the app and you're all done. Now your phone is connected to the computer. You can access all the files and transfer them from Android to PC via Wi-Fi.